The Enagic HGN water filter SD501 is a genuine replacement cartridge designed specifically for compatible LeveLuk machines, which helps ensure reliable performance and proper fitment. Its high-grade filtration media is engineered to reduce common tap water impurities, contributing to cleaner, better-tasting water from your Kangen system. Installation is straightforward for most users, as the cartridge is built to align with the existing filter base without complicated tools or special skills. Because it is an original Enagic component, this filter maintains the intended water flow and pressure that the SD501 series machines are calibrated to deliver. Users who replace their filters on schedule often notice more consistent water quality, which supports the long-term effectiveness of the electrolysis plates in the unit. The compact, lightweight design makes the filter easy to store as a spare and simple to handle during routine maintenance.